Hello friends, today I will show you how to enable Google Maps in the background over QGIS for a better presentation view. So there are three or methods how we can activate the maps. So we can activate the same with the help of plugins, and the same we can do while importing any external map link if we already have. So I will show you both of them. First I will show you the way of plugin. Okay, so let's start. So go for a plugin, click on the manage and install plugin. The first plugin that is used for QGIS service is like we have GIS. This one. Just install this. It will take a bit time. You can see SCMGIS is installed at here. Just click on this and we can see various of maps are available over here. Now whatever the maps you write, you can click on this. Like if I go for Google Maps, I will click on Google Maps. It will load here and it will look like this. Whatever city you want to do, you can zoom over this. Another view is also there, like if we go for any the satellite view, then also we can click on Google satellite. And here the satellite view. So we can see the satellite view over the QGIS map. And this is the road view, street view. OpenStreetMap. Correct. So now there is another plugin by which we can use this QGIS services, map services. Just go to plugins, manage install plugin, and then search for quick map service. Just install this plugin. So now this tool is already installed at web quick map services. Here we can see there's no map is here. So I have experienced two things. Once I will go for a contributed platform settings, then most of the maps get appears. If not, then we will search for the next QGIS search tool. So first we will check for setting option if it is already available there. So Go to settings. More services and click on get contributed back. Sometimes the default maps get directly downloaded to this QGIS maps. If not, then we will search manually. Yeah, just download it. Let me check if it is showing or not. Yeah, maps are not here. So what we can do now? We can again go for the search option. Now whatever the maps we have to search, it will show here. Like if you go for satellite, then it will show you all the satellite maps like Maps and Google Maps. Just click on the add. And the big map is again here. If we go just search for Bing, and go for this Bing Maps. This is a street view, open street view. You can also download this satellite view of the Google Maps also. That already I installed. The third thing is that if you already know any external link for the maps, then you can use by this WMS or the WMTS. Let me show you for this. So for this, just go for a Google Chrome. Search for OSM WMS, first one. These are the servers available as external, so you can choose whatever you want, because some belongs to a specific country, some belongs to the complete world. So go for the instance. Here this colorful map, the link is there. You just copy this hyperlink and then paste on WMS new connection. I will type it as like OpenStreetMap web mail services and paste. Now you can see that this map is already inputted as here, and we can check like dark mode. So this is the night mode. Just double click on this. Dark mode. Same manner, if you want any open street view, then we can do the same. Just drag over here. The street view again. This is a topographic view. So So accordingly, we can use any of the map, what is the best suit for our delivery or whatever presentation we want for this. Yeah. So thank you very much for this. If any query, then please let us know on the same channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.